Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to my channel. So in previous videos, we had a discussion of Krita, how to install Krita and also the components of Krita, then how to add layers onto the Krita. We have already discussed in the previous video. And also you learned how to add layers onto the Krita. I hope you have understood very clearly to add a layers onto the Krita interface. Now in this video, I am going to show or I am going to display or I am going to teach how we are going to use Krita for the animation. See, by using Krita, see, the Krita we are using for multiple digital painting purpose, and also we are going to use. We can also for the animation purpose also. Okay, now today in this video, I'll show how we are going to use Krita for the animation. Okay, now simply open or launch the Krita software. See, as soon we double click onto the Krita software, the interface is going to be open like this, the default view. On that, click on to the file menu. See, under file menu we are going to choose new, because we are creating new presentation, new project, so we are going to choose new. Then in the new interface, see, earlier used to use portrait formation for the inserting layers. Now for the animation, today I am going to use landscape formation. See here, simply click on landscape, then whatever the settings is there, okay, nothing to worry. Then content, you can see the background color, everything we can change here. Default background I am going to set as white. Then layers, two layers I am going to add. Then okay, then simply click on okay or create. Okay, as soon as I click on to the create, now the Krita interface is going to be open like this. Okay, this is the interface of animation interface of Krita. See how to switch on animation animation layer is. See here there is a option. See here you can see. So default the animation will not come. Suppose you want to switch on the animation interface. Here there is a workspace. See the name we are going to call it as workspace. See, click on workspace. See, workspace means what are the different works we are going to do under the Krita. It is going to indicate workspace. Okay, now click on see workspace. See, under workspace we are going to select animation, because today we are going to use Krita for the animation. So here we are going to choose interface as animation. See, once we click on the animation, now the animation interface is going to be appear. Okay, this is the interface of animation, and you can see compared to last time, here now the interface has been little bit changed. Okay, here you can see these are the tools what we are going to use, means already as I told, these are the duckers. Then after tools, here we are going to see the layer section. Then after the layer section, here you can see some of the animation tools. See, what are the animation tools we can see here. See, for example, if at all you want to give the animations, we need some of the options, or we need some of the requirements. See, that only we can see in the animation tools. See, this particular point what we are going to see here. See, you can see one additional this one. We are going to call it as play head. Then this particular the entire area we are going to call it as frame panel. Means this is the frames panel. By using this playhead and the frames panel, we are going to give the animation for the particular object what we are going to insert onto the data. Then the entire space what is there, the entire space we are going to call it as stage. See, on stage only we are going to give the animation for our we are going to start our animations. Then suppose today I am taking one of the animation topic as racing car. See, for example, here I am going to use two objects, that is, one is car, then the second object is road image. See, one is car image and second one is road image. By using these two objects, I am going to use, or I am going to create a project as racing car. See, I am going to give a name as racing car. For the racing car, we need two objects, that is, or two layers we need. One layer, that is background for background, background layer as road, then second object, that is we need one car. Okay, these two objects we will download from the internet by using Google Chrome. Then once we download, first we are going to choose the layers onto the Krita interface. Okay, now what we are going to do, simply select the layers. Okay, select come back to the layer section. See, the default layer sections already it is there, background white, and one paint layer is there. Okay, now for the background we are going to choose the background. As I told here, we are going to add for the background road image. So simply click on layer. See, under layer we are going to import layer, import or export. See, under import or export, import layer, click on import layer. As soon as we click on to the import layer, now it will take us to the location of the computer where we have saved already images onto the computer. Okay, see here you can observe there is a road image. Simply click on the layer or object is going to be added onto the stage. Okay, once we insert the object, click on transformation tool. Now the edges are going to be editable. Now see, once we click onto the transformation tool, then only we can make the resize of the object onto the stage. Okay, now we have set the background for our animation, that is road road. Okay, rename that. We are going to set it as background. Double click on the layer and just rename it. Okay, just you remove this. Okay, now background has been set. Okay, now another one paint layer is there, that is layer 1. Click on that. We need another picture, that is car. Okay, again go back to the layer section. Under layer, import or export. Under import or export, select import layer. Okay, now select the image of car, then simply click on OK or open. Okay, now the car image has been displayed onto the particular stage. Okay, select transformation tool or select tool. See, first you select the object, then click onto the transformation or select tool. Then it is going to be editable. Then we can move wherever we want objects onto the Krita interface. Now place the car on a road, the correct position where the car want to move particular field you place the car. Okay, now we can observe I have placed car in a particular section, that is on a road. Okay, now two objects we have added here. One is, okay, here you can see whatever the two layers I have added here. One is background and other one is car. Okay, by using two layers we are going to do the, or we are going to give the animation. Okay, now let us start. How can we give the animation for the objects or layers onto the Krita? Okay, now first select the layer, that is car, layer 1. See, simply select the layer. Okay, this is selected background. Click onto the layer. Now select the car. Okay, now the car image has been selected. And as we discussed in the earlier, there is a playhead here. Come back to the frames, that is whatever the components we are using here, frames and playhead. This is the animation section. Select the playhead, then give little bit movement for the car, then click on next frame, then make it duplicate, then again give a movement for little bit front for the car. Okay, just choose and give, then again select the frame, third one, then make it duplicate, then again next come back to the next frame, give little movement for the car, again give duplicate, because we are giving the animation by using the keyframes here. Okay, next click onto the next frame, select the object, give little movement till the end where the car can move, reach the other end of the background. Till that you are going to give the duplicate frames. Okay, next make a move little bit move, make a duplicate, then select the object, make a move, make a duplicate, then next frame. Okay, make a duplicate, means we are giving the animation for the same keyframe. Okay, make it duplicate. Okay, next make it duplicate, next frame, make it duplicate. Okay, now the car from one end to another end, it has been reached by using the, see here you can see from frame 0 to frame 12, the car can move one end to another end. Okay, once we set the frames, we can see here there is a animation tools. See, these are the animation tools here. See, the entire tools what we are going to see here, we are going to call it as animation tools. Okay, now simply click on, once we set the playhead for the object, now simply we are going to check whether it is going to move or not. See, simply click on play button. You can observe it is not going to play here. So again, see, within a fraction of a second it went and it came. So again here what we are going to set some of the settings. See where we are going to setting, that is we want to set animation setting menu. See here there is a option animation. See, the car is animation is taken, but within a fraction of a second the animation is not proper. So what we are going to do here, there is a animation setting menu here. See, there is a option animation setting menu. So here we are going to set the animation settings now. Okay, here I am going to choose animation setting menu. See, in that clip start, see animation starts from 0. See, this is the frame 0, so I'm going to give it as 0. Then here the clip ends. See, that is clip or frame what we are going to call it as. See, 0 to 12. See, you can see for the 12 frames I have given. So whatever default 100 is there, here I'm going to give it as frame. See, when I give 0 and 1, frame 1 in the, see, I have given frame 1, that is clip starts from 0 to 1. See, here you can observe only in that particular frames the animation is running. Then when I see, for example, again I'll change the animation here. Wait for a while. Okay, now whatever it is there, 1, instead of 1 I'll give, see here end clip what is there. See, end clip 1 is there, instead of 1 I'll give 2. Now little bit front it will come now. See, 2. Okay, then if I say 3, see little bit front it, forward it came. Then if I give 8, I'll give, see, 8. When I give the end clip 8, it is not touching, it is not whatever the destination is the other end, it's not crossing over the other end. So here till frame 12 I am going to give. Okay, once I give the frame 12, you can see the car start to move from one end to other end by using the 12 clips. Here you can observe, here you can observe the car moving from clip 0 to clip 12. If I just click onto the clip up to clip 6, it won't reach the destination here. Okay, now it is moving very fast, so we can also control the speed of the car here. See, how can we control? Again, come back to the animation setting menu. See, click on animation setting. In that you can see the frame rate is default 24 is there. Okay, here I will decrease the frame rate. Okay, see, I removed the frame rate, the car is animating very slow. Okay, suppose here if I give 2, it little bit fast it will move. Then on 5 I'll give. Okay, see, now we can observe how the car animation is started to move from one end to another end. Okay, still if you want to slow, we can make it 2, then the car will move very slow from one end to another end. Okay, in this way, we are going to use Krita for the animation. See, once the animation done, we are going to save our project. See how to save a project. See, speed is not enough. Still you want more speed, just increase the frame rate. That is 1 5 if you give. See again little bit speed. Okay, you can observe now. Okay, again you want to play, simply click on the play button. It will be playing. So in this way we are going to do the, or we are going to create an animation by using the Krita. See, I hope you have understood very clearly how you are going to give the animation for the object by using the layers. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Then once animation completed, we are going to save our project. See how to save. Simply click on file menu. See under file menu, as soon we click on to the file menu, it is going to display some of the options here. Under that, click on save as. See, once we click on save as, it is going to ask the location where we are going to save the particular animation file. Select any location. See, suppose if I want to save animation on my desktop, here I'm going to choose the desktop. Then click on name. Here file name I am going to give it as car animation or else I'll give Krita animation. Okay, once I give the name of the file, simply click on save. Now on my desktop, this particular file is going to be saved. Okay, in this way, we are going to use Krita for the animation. See, in upcoming videos, we will see some other animations by using the different concepts. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you.